going to give you a bit of a tour of our manufacturing facilities. Show you some of our stock and some of the sawn and mouldings we produce. Modinex is a family business. I'm one of the sons. We've started boarding in 1978, and trust you enjoy this tour. This is 150 by 50 that we've cut ourselves from Canada, quarter sawn, old growth, vertical grain. You might want to have a look at the end of these packs. This is a old growth, premium grade Western red cedar from Canada, quarter sawn. I'll take you into the saw shed. At the moment we're cutting 200 by 50. Show you through our saw shed next. This is our 200 by 50 we're currently cutting out of larger flitch for vertical grain. It's quarter sawn, 200 by 50. Dust extraction unit. Takes all the shavings and sawdust from all our machinery to these semi-trailers, which goes to the farms and ends up in the soil, fertilisers. If we're busy, we can put out one trailer, semi-trailer a day. It's a new system, only a couple of years old. This is just some more of our Western red cedar in the old growth. This is mixed grain, it's not vertical grain, in the 150 by 45. Just some of our joinery stock. It's something that's fairly commonly sold for joineries. This is also Western red cedar. This is tight knot cedar that grows out of the young trees. So it's out of a school log. Tight grain material. It's got all the same characteristics as the old growth Western red, but this is just a younger growth. That's why it's got so many knobs. But it's good for plating, mainly sold for plating. This is our hemlock stock that grows in the same forest as Western red cedar. It's also an old growth timber. As you can see, the grain's very tight. We also have this cut to vertical grain. Good thing about hemlock, it comes in very long length. It's a good timber for internal joinery, panellings and claddings. And as you can see, with the hemlock, you've got very long lengths. 6 metres, not a 6 metre down to 4 metres, so it's a very long timber. And we also do hemlock and firmly modified. I'll show you some firmly modified hemlock. That hemlock we can use externally. I'll show you that next. This is a firmly modified hemlock. So it's the hemlock been firmly modified. That means it's been heat treated. It's got no chemicals in it. what they've done is a heat treatment which closes the cells in the timber, which makes it repel the water. It gives it a slightly darker colour. Once it's thermally modified, it's gone from a very light white colour to a brownish colour. This is a fairly recent process which we're doing all the Australian testings for. The first testings for the cladding have shown that it's more durable than even Western red cedar. I think this timber has a very big future, and also availability is huge because it's 60% of the forest, so there's large volumes of it available, so it has a big future, especially for joinery, external joinery, screening, cladding. You can also see that we get this cut quarter sawn too, so it's all vertical grain. This is where we stock a lot of our cuttings, panellings, and mouldings for the building industry. As you can see, we hold large stocks which we pick for wood. We have a team which picks out of these racks every day for the building industry and for hardware stores. This is all our packs ready for dispatch. Everything is PEFC certified. Appreciate your time, and we appreciate your business. And just like to thank you for giving us the time and watching this video today. Thank you very much.